Hey, hello everybody. Welcome to Plain Sense Homestead. I'm Danny, and today we're going to talk about one of my favorite chickens, the Rustic Rock. So, Rustic Rocks, as you see here, this sweet girl here, she's a very hardy chicken. They're very cold and heat tolerant, and they don't get sick very easily. Uh, they uh, they're a dual-purpose bird, which means that they give you eggs and meat. Great source of meat and great source of eggs. They can give us anywhere between 250 and 300 eggs a year, and if you can see that there, they're a brown egg. Maybe I put it there. They're a brown egg, and oh, it's okay. It's okay. You're getting tired of sitting here, aren't you? So, Rustic Rocks are a hybrid. They're a mix between Barred Rock and Rhode Island Reds. They've taken the qualities of Barred Rock, which are their foraging abilities, and the Rhode Islands, which are their high production of eggs. They're friendly, great beginner birds. They're really easy to deal with, and they don't mind people until they've been sitting too long. But all in all, they're a great bird to have. So if you're looking for a good friendly bird, a good beginner bird to put around your homestead, I would suggest a Rustic Rock. So keep looking in the future. We'll have more of these videos telling you about more of the birds we have in our flock, and give you some tips, some tricks, and some things that we've learned, and some good points about them.